Awesome. GM guys. I hope you can hear me and my voice is audible. Can anyone please confirm me? Nathan and also Fractal Visions.
Yeah, I can clearly hear you.
Awesome. So cool. Let's start. Let's begin. GM. Also anywhere in the world, if it is good afternoon or good evening for you, welcome to Aster's Spaces today. And we are here with very cool projects and also cool guests. So let's begin our AMA, and we will also know more what these projects are doing and what is ACS campaign as well. So, guys, welcome back. So, I'm here with great guests, Mr. Nathan, and also from Fractal Visions. Welcome to ACS AMA Roundtable. We would like to know who you are and what is your position, what exactly your project is doing. So, let's start with Fractal Visions.
Hey, good morning. This is Igley. My name is Glenn, and my partner Alicia and we are the co-founders of Fractal Visions here. We're an NFT marketplace built on the super chain, and we have been working uh, with ACS and Astar on the point system on Sonium for the past couple seasons. It's really amazing. So far, we've seen a ton of traffic and things are just starting to ramp up. This seems like the beginning of something really big here. So yeah, here at Fractal Visions, we have a ton of creators from around the world that we're highlighting on our platform, and their fellow visionaries, people who are creating art and music and are very dedicated to what they do with their craft. So happy to be here and happy to present what we're doing with ACS so far and Astar. Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks. Interesting to know more about Fractal Visions, what it's doing. And also, Nathan is here from 2P2E. Hey, Nathan. So just introduce yourself and what exactly is 2P2E.
Yeah, GM guys, I'm Nathan from TP2E, and I'm the co-founder of the platform. And TP2E is a prediction and a gaming platform, and it's fully on-chain, and we are provide like community-driven predictions and gaming to like all Astra and like Sonium users right now. And we do have like token price prediction and real world events prediction, and also our single player game will be online like later this week or early next week. Yeah, and I see like many Astra and Cinema users really like our price prediction right now, and they can use like both Ethereum and Astra to join like all our predictions on our platform. Yeah, that's pretty much here.
Awesome, cool. So let me just give some intro about ACS as well. So ACS is Astra Contribution Score. It is a score-based incentive mechanism designed to reward users for their contributions within the Sonium ecosystem, and it targets active participants who engage with various applications in providing DeFi platforms and also interacting with other Web3 applications across ecosystem. So this campaign is lasting for 100 days. It has started on February 20th and till May 31st it's going to be. There is a reward pool of 100 million Astro tokens. So what you can expect from this ACS campaign, there is a utility expansion of Astro token, and also you can see on-chain growth for Astro token, and there is also a deeper alignment with the Sonium and its ecosystem projects, also connecting superchain ecosystem. So, Fractal Visions, I think we can start with you to know more about the ACS campaign. You can share your screen.
Sure. Let me just share my screen here. See if I can get this to work. Okay. I'm going to share with you our analytics dashboard that we put together with our data scientist. Let me know if you can see that. So far with Fractal Visions, we've had 157,000 transactions on Sonium on our marketplace, which is quite impeccable. We definitely did not expect this type of traffic here. This is an image of one of the NFTs we released during the Galaxy campaign during the initial launch of mainnet. And you can see that we've had 30 ETH in total volume on the marketplace. We have 32,000 unique wallets, and we've used almost one full Ethereum in gas. So this is a brand new dashboard. Nobody has actually seen this. This is not available to the public yet. We will be releasing this here very soon. We're just kind of finishing things up. Average transactions per user, 4 transactions per user, and yeah, a lot of other really rich data, including data points that are specifically related to ASTR token here. So you could see that we've kind of been inundated with all these buyers, all these sales from ASTR here on the daily chart, and getting a lot of traffic in other currencies as well. If we scroll all the way down here, we'll get to some of the collection stats here. But yeah, some of these collections here, they're already seeing really big volume on secondary sales. So to us, this speaks, no pun intended, volumes about the NFT space on Sonium. To us, to all the collectors and creators that are out there, this is a huge win for the NFT space and all of these people that are using our platform. We have not seen this amount of traffic on layer 2 since the end of the last bull run. Back in May of 2022, we had a lot of really great traffic on Optimism when we first started building on layer 2. But then when the bear market came, that activity kind of all died down and died away. And so we're really excited to see all this activity coming back to Fractal Visions. I'm just going to share our platform here with you too. Let me get it to load up. Sorry, my internet's running kind of slow here. And once again, we do have pretty heavy load on our website, so hopefully everything will load here. This collection, it'll load. I think it's just my internet. The Ethernauts up, of course. This is the biggest collection. I think my internet is really cutting out here too without the stream. I'm not going to be able to really give you a good preview here. Here we go. Here's the Ethernauts. So this collection here has been our staple so far. If it'll load once again, because my computer is running slow. We've had over 165,000 mints of this free mint that we've had here. And this is something that is just amazing to us. People are seeing this image all around the world. It really has given us the opportunity to get art out to the world and proliferate these NFTs to people in a way that has never been done before with artwork in the history of mankind. So yeah, we're really happy to be here, to be building on Sonium Network and be a part of the ACS program. Um, uh, now my internet's finally starting to load up, but as you can see, I'm still getting um, some glitches here just because my internet. Uh, so right now, if you trade NFT on Fractal Visions and you purchase something in ASTR, you'll get 20 ACS points. If you make a auction, you'll get 40 ACS points. And if you buy out one of the listings, you get 60 ACS points. So that's kind of how we have things set up right now. I think we're going to be doing a little bit of change on the structure of the point system in the coming seasons to help distribute some of the points. But so far, we're seeing some really great feedback from people that are using our platform, and we're just trying to keep up with all of the excitement and energy here. So that's about it for our presentation so far. I guess if there's any other questions that you have for me, please let me know. But yeah, I'll just go ahead and stop there. And thanks again for letting me share.
Awesome. Thanks for sharing. May I know like a few questions to you? Like users need to purchase or make an auction with ASDR token. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. Specifically with ASTR, that's how people are getting the rewards right now. I think we might switch that in the coming seasons here to help distribute more of the points. And we'll make sure to announce that on our socials so everybody knows exactly what's going on.
Cool. So on an average, it can be a 35 or 75 ASDR per bidding or auction. How that works? Can you explain a little bit?
Yeah, so it would be either creating an auction. So if you have a NFT and you create an auction, then you'll get rewards for that. But then also buying out the auction in ASTR. So either one of those actions. Other than that, if you're just purchasing a listing instead of an auction that is also listed in ASTR, that's also the third task that you can use to get ASTR points. So yeah, that's our three options: either creating an auction with an NFT, buying out one of the auctions through the buyout bid, or buying a listing of an NFT with ASTR. Yeah, that's how it's been going so far. It's been going pretty great.
Awesome. So thanks for sharing all the details about Fractal Visions and also how users can participate or make trade, auction, everything. And yeah, it's good to see. And we can move on to Nathan.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hey, Nathan.
Yeah. Could I share right?
Yeah,
Could I share my
uh,
screen now?
yeah, definitely. Go ahead.
Okay, let's take a closer look at our main features on up to P2E. And first of all, I want to introduce our token price prediction. I think it's like quite unique on Sonium right now, and it goes 5 minutes around, which can let our user have like very quick engagement with our platform on, and also they will get very quick rewards from their right prediction on token price, and also it can show their insight on market movements for token price like Bitcoin, Astra, and Ethereum. And also we have a lot of events predictions, and it covers political events and some crypto milestone events, also sports events. And additionally, user can choose their token to do also predictions. We support Ethereum and Astra. And to clarify, like there are some differences, like for Astra tokens, we do have more Sonium or Astra related topics and to the ecosystem. And you can all see all the familiar projects logos right here. Like we have like Biru, and we have like Super Soul, or like you can see like all the Yumi Matter, all the logos similar because we are doing more community-driven prediction topics on Astra token, and also they will be available for Ethereum tokens as well. And recently we just like deploy our Pioneer NFT, and for the NFT holders, they can have like a privilege to access to future events and our new features, new games, and they also will be available for like ACS points distribution. And the limit is like 10,000, and it's almost the sale will be like almost done, and just like 1,400 left. And as I mentioned before, and our like single player game will be online later this week or early next week, because we are still waiting for the Chainlink to fully support Sony mainnet. And once like Chainlink is fully deployed, then our game will be online soon, and they will also be a method for users to earn ACS points on our platform is to just participate in our new games. Yeah. And could I just change to like our Twitter tweet? And this tweet will share like how users can get ACS points in details. And I will say like 50% of ACS points will go directly to like our NFT holders, and once a user get more NFTs, they will just get more ACS points, and 20% rewards users who complete more than 10 predictions in a single day. And it doesn't mean like a user need to predict like 10 times every day. Once they have complete like 10 predictions in a day, they will just receive their ACS points reward. And the remaining 30% is like distributed among all users based on their overall transaction volume and transaction numbers. And these rules are just basically depend will be used on season 3 and season 4. And in season 5, the rule may change because like we have like more games and more predictions, and that will be there will be a part to distribute it to like our user players. Yeah. And also we have like our leaderboard. All users on the leaderboard, users on our leaderboard our ranks will be rewarded at the end of like the ACS point. At the end of the ACS activities, like it's kind of like will be distributed by the end of May or the beginning of like the beginning of June. Yes, it's pretty much like how we will like distribute like our ACS and how our platform looks like. And also I want to mention like we are very willing to collaborate with like all communities, all ecosystems projects to like to make like a more community driven and funny prediction topics like on our platform. And we will in some way we will let our users to create their own prediction topics on our platform, and users who do that will just earn protocol fee from their prediction topics directly on our platform. And we are also willing to collaborate with like projects to do the same thing and to do some giveaway activities to let their users to create some funny topics and earn transaction fees. Yeah. I think it's like pretty much here, and like right now like our platform have more than 15K users and volume, and we have like also around like 200,000 transactions right now on our platform. I think it will go bigger, and really nice to be here to share all this information with you guys. Yeah, that's it.
Awesome. Thanks, Nathan, for sharing all the insights. It's really good to see that 2P2E platform is gaining a good volume of transactions and also more number of users coming up. So let's move on to next phase. Uh, and let me just share some insights for the season three. We have almost like 122 million TVS and also 1.5 million transactions happened till season three. Currently, this is season four. There are total 10 seasons, which is having 100 million worth of Astra tokens as a reward and having 1 billion ACS points. So I just want to ask to all the projects like 2P2E and Fractal Visions. Uh, Feel free to share more information about your projects, maybe some alpha to the users. You can take the floor. Nathan or Fractal
Oh,
Visions. Anyone? Yeah.
oh yeah, I can like share first like our platform like is under I know like we are quite like new on Sonium and Astra network, but we are developing like a brand new vision to updating our whole platform. We are just providing like uh a new UI and better user experiences, and a lot of like brand new games are on pipelines. They will be deployed. I will say like one games a week in the next month or the next 2 months. Yeah, and they will in all games, and prediction will be counted as will be counted for ACS points distributed, and hope like all users can like enjoy on our platform and enjoying all the games and prediction topics that we provide.
Awesome, Nathan. Thanks. So before moving on to Fractal Visions, I request all the users comment in the YouTube or X with your questions, and also please share what is your rank, ACS rank, or maybe how many points you're having on the ACS. And also do not forget to check these projects and also other projects as well in participating in the ACS.
Yeah,
So,
we have. Yeah.
yeah, please, please.
We have like more than uh 600,000 ACS points on season 3, and we have like more than 400,000 ACS points on season 4. And I think like basic on our transaction volume and the numbers, we will get more ACS points like in the next few seasons. Yeah, like this current like ACS points distribution to our project right now. And totally we have like more than a million ACS points, and we have finished distributed like for season 3, and we are distributing like our season 4 ACS points right now.
Awesome. That's a good number, and also all the best for your next seasons as well. So, Fractal Visions, if you would like to share something more, maybe some alpha to the users.
Yeah, sure. We have a ton of demand for people that want to be on our platform right now. So we're just going to continue on the path that we're already on right now, where each creator is getting introduced into the Sonium ecosystem. Um, I think that there's something to be said about like scalability and also having like good discoverability for each person who's coming to the platform. And we don't want to bring too many people on too fast, because that might not provide as much attention to some of the individuals as we want. So that's kind of where we're at right now. We're just trying to pace ourselves and scale up our operations. Um, I think that we have some really big things coming with interoperability here on layer 2. Our platform not only hosts Sonium blockchain network, but also a number of other blockchains that are part of the superchain or the OP stack technology. So that's what we're really focused on. There is a new uh, payment system that we're, I think, going to upgrade to from our payment provider, Third Web, and partners, which will allow people to settle cross-chain transactions a lot easier. I think this is where we're headed right now, to have the ultimate cross-chain liquidity for people to access seamlessly when they want to purchase their assets on the marketplace. So that's kind of what we're working towards. That, as well as maybe introducing some sort of NFT bridge in the future. But we still have a lot of plans to do for that. So I don't really want to share too much on that. That's kind of what we're working towards right now as our team continues on this year. Yeah, it's been great. Tons of energy on Sonium. So happy to be here.
Cool. Thanks, Fractal Visions. Nathan, I have a question to you. Like, when a user enters 2P2E,
Mm-hmm.
can they also have some analytics of their previous participations with Astra token, like
Yes,
watching
yeah,
some history of their predictions?
yeah. Like there are two parts of privilege if users use like Astra token on a platform. Like first of all, like there are some topics are exclusive support like Astra. They don't support like Ethereum, so users can only use Astra on this, those like prediction topics. And second, like when we count like our ACS points, like we do pay more attention to the ACS users, and we will give them a higher weight than like a little bit higher weight than like Ethereum users. And like take example like uh, if they use like the uh same value of a Ethereum and Astra, like Astra users will get like a more ACS point, a little bit like more ACS points distribution. Yeah, it's like a privilege for ACS Astra users on our platform right now.
All right. Yeah. Thanks. Cool, guys. Thank you for joining us today. And it's really great to talk with you and also know more about your projects and your participation in the ACS as well. So, all the best for this season and also upcoming seasons as well, and also for all the users who are participating in the ACS. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, or maybe you can also reach out to our Astro Network socials. And also, you can reach out to projects Fractal Visions and 2P2E and other ACS participating projects. So hope to see you again in the next maybe ACS Roundtable, and have a great day ahead. So Nathan, Fractal Visions, if you would like to add on something, you can feel free to go.
Thank you, Tejala. I'm really honored to be like invited to join the like roundtable on Astra, and I think we'll just like try our best to bring best prediction and gaming experience to like all our users on Astra and Sodium. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate.
Awesome.
Awesome. Yeah. Thanks, Teja and Nathan. Nice to meet you virtually. We're really happy to be a part of this ecosystem. It's given us a breath of fresh air here with our core engineering team, and we're really excited for what's to come. So yeah, just appreciate all of the love and attention from everybody out there, and to be a part of the ACS distribution. It's amazing. So thanks so much.
Awesome. All right, guys, and thank you so much for joining us today, and also all the users watching this. Um, Please participate in ACS and also make sure you all earn ACS points. If you have any issues, you can also reach out to us on our Discord and also regional channels. Hope to see you again in the next ACS Roundtable. Have a great day ahead and signing off. Bye bye.
See ya.